In this video, we are going to see how we can create the multiple ledgers in Teleprime. As we can see here in this project, we have a lot of chart of accounts. Some we have already skipped because that was control account. That means that when we enter all the party accounts along with their balances for all the customers, individual balances should be automatically updated in the control accounts. So that's what we do for debtors, creditors, and stock. Building at cost we have created from a single ledger creation, but as we all know that it will take a lot of time to create all the ledgers one by one. So instead we want a simple screen on a single page where we enter all of these ledgers and put their balances along with the nature of accounts. So how we can create the multiple ledgers? It's very simple. From the master section, we will click on the chart of accounts, and under the chart of accounts, we want to create ledger, right? We don't want to create groups because groups means nature of account, further explanations like account receivable for the East zone, West zone. So you can create the zones group if you want to, but that will be a subcategory of the nature of accounts. So I'll just simply need the ledger of accounts to be created. So click on the ledgers and we only see the groups here or the list of ledgers here. But on the right hand side, we see this multiple masters account, and that's what we want. The shortkey is H, but it is used with a single dash. So what we will press along with it? Yes, we will press alternate, hold alternate, and then press H to go to the masters. And from here, as you can see, list of multiple masters. You can multi-create, you can even multi-alter, and you can change the credit limits for all as well. So multi-create, I'll just click here, and this should take us to the multi-ledger creation mode where we will enter all the ledgers on a single page. Now, since all the ledgers have different nature of accounts, so that's why we will not specify the group here. Hit enter under all items. I'll keep it as it is. The name of ledger. The buildings at cost is already entered. Accumulated depreciation of buildings. I'll just copy this, paste it right here. Sometimes you need to press and hold Control Alt and V to paste, but that was for the predecessor's version of Tele. In this version, it's not the case. You can simply copy and paste it by using Control V. Hit enter. And this is the contra asset. It's a fixed asset and it's a contra fixed asset. Now, if you don't know about the concept of accumulated depreciation of buildings, I've compiled this particular document for you to explain what is accumulated depreciation. The nature of it is fixed asset, but it is a contra asset. It's mentioned right here with examples. So I want you to read this, and we will choose the fixed asset nature. Just write F in the under category and choose fixed asset. In the opening balances, I'll just copy and paste the balance right here, which is 80,000. Now, since by default nature of fixed asset is debit, so as soon as I press enter in the opening balances, it will by default show debit. But since this is a contra asset, that means it will be on the opposite side. Press C and hit enter. It will turn it to credit. So just make sure before confirming that accumulated depreciation and the under category in opening balances are fine, and you put it on the credit side. Same goes for next one, which is motor vehicles. I'll just copy the name, paste it right here. Now the process will be very fast. Fixed asset is the nature, press tab, and the total balance is 380,000. I'll just copy this, paste it right here, hit debit, hit enter. Accumulated depreciation of motor vehicles is the next. Hit enter, choose the fixed assets, and since this is a contra asset, although we will just copy and paste the balance right here, but as soon as we paste here, we have to change the nature side that it is a contra asset, so it should be on the credit side, although it's fixed asset. So that's accumulated depreciation. Next one we have is machinery. Just copy that, paste it right here. It's a fixed asset. Hit enter. And the balance is 290,000 on the debit side. Let's go to the next line. Next one we have is accumulated depreciation of machinery. Again, a fixed asset with a contra asset balance like 58,000 on the negative or credit side. Next one we have is cash. Paste it right here. Now we have the nature of account for both of them, the bank account and cash in hand. Most of the softwares only support either bank or cash, but since the cash in hand is most closely linked to this one, I'll choose cash in hand. Make sure before you save this, you need to delete the existing ledger that you get with the creation of company. That is the only ledger which is cash ledger automatically created. So if you are facing some problem of duplicate ledger, you can write cash in hand name and then later on delete the extra cash account. But I'll keep it as it is because I've already deleted that. So the balance is 694,730 and that's on the debit side. Press enter. The next one is Standard Chartered Bank, and like I said, I just need to copy and paste it right here, and we don't need to change the screen because we will link it to the most closely related group, that is bank accounts right here. So there's separate category for cash in hand and for bank accounts. The balance, you will just copy and paste this one. Paste it right here. Make sure you copy it without the spaces. Hit enter because it's showing debit. Just make sure that it is showing debit or credit correctly or not. Hit enter. Next one is United Bank Limited. Just copy and paste the balance here. And it's bank account. The balance is 350,000 on the debit side. Next one we have is accrued expenses. Just copy and paste that. And it comes under current liabilities. And the balance is 53,000. Make sure it's on the credit side. Current liabilities nature is credit. Hit enter. And the last one we have is capital invested, but we'll call it net owner's equity. Net owner's equity. Hit enter. And that is capital account. The balance is 4396730 and it's on the credit side. Press Ctrl A to accept. A with double dashes is the short key. Ctrl A. And if you want to check all the balances along with the ledgers, we need to go back. And to check the ledgers, we will go to the masters, click on alter, and you can select ledgers. Here you see all the list of ledgers. But if you want to see the trial balance along with the ledgers and balances, here's what you can do. In the report section, I'll just go to display more reports and click on trial balance. It's showing the summary of each group, but if you want to see the details, we'll just press alternate F1 to see the details. And as we can see, all the ledgers along with the balances are there. So that's how we enter all the ledgers along with the opening balances from the multiple ledgers creation option. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.